Welcome back. In this video, we are going to solve a structural design problem that involves a column design using LRFD method based on eStructural Design Zen found on the App Store. Design a reinforced concrete circular column using load and resistance factor design that carries an axial dead load of 2000 kN and axial live load of 1800 kN. Design criteria as follows: strength of concrete 42 MPa, vertical bars 20 mm bar grade 414, spiral tie bars 10 mm bar grade 414, steel ratio 2%. The column carries an axial dead load of 2000 kN and axial live load of 1800 kN for a factored axial load of 5280 kN. Enumerate input parameters required. Column name C10, floor designation, footing to second, shape and ties, circle, spiral, unsupported height 3000 mm, vertical bars 20 mm bar at grade 414, steel ratio 2%, spiral tie bars 10 mm bar at grade 414, strength of concrete 42 MPa, and factored axial load 5280 kN. Given factored axial load equals 5280 kN and steel ratio equals 2%, the gross area of section is 191,428.67 square millimeters for a column diameter of 495 millimeters. Given steel ratio equals 2% and column diameter equals 495 millimeters, the area of steel is 3,848.84 square millimeters. The number of vertical bars for 20 mm bar is 13. The spiral steel ratio ρS equals 0.0193 for a spiral pitch of 38 mm. Design recommendation as follows: FC prime equals 42 MPa, Fy equals 414 MPa, column size is 495 mm by 3000 mm, vertical bars of grade 414, 13 pieces 20 mm bar, spiral tie 10 mm bar of grade 414, pitch at 38 mm on center. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to this channel.